We made it to Atlantic City. I'm in the elevator actually going back to the hotel room. Got here at 4 o'clock in the morning last night. I'm exhausted. Just got through with class. I'm going back to take a nap. Then we got a concert tonight we're going to, but very tired. Running on like 2 hours sleep in the last 48 hours. So good day today. Had what did we do? We did one class this morning, and then we went to the trade show today and kind of walked around, and we'll go back tomorrow and talk to more people and stuff. I was just too tired today to talk to people. Show you the view from the hotel. Beach out there. Pierre, we're actually gonna go for a walk out there shortly. All the casinos. Convention center's over there somewhere. So like I said, with the snow, we ended up getting about 3 inches of snow. Got everything done by 10 o'clock last night. Got in the car, drove 5.5 hours, got here about 4, I don't even know what time it was. It was early. By the time I got to bed, it was like 5 o'clock. Then got right back up at 8. So I'm exhausted. Hey. Just taking a quick little break from classes and everything, checking out the beach. All the idiots over here. I don't know where they're going, they're wandering off. But long day, I'm gonna take a nap. I'm exhausted, like I was saying. It's just been long 48 hours between the storm, driving down here, classes, all that stuff. But we got a concert tonight, going a free concert, Leonard Skinner. It's actually playing over here at the Hard Rock at our hotel. That's where we're staying. So beach down here is nice. I don't know if anybody's been down to Atlantic City before, but the area is not the best. But it is nice around here. Should rephrase that. It's nice around the boardwalk area, all the hotels and stuff. Basically, there's casinos all the way down. You can see the big buildings. These are all casinos. There's a couple other ones further away. Like I said, we're staying at the Hard Rock. A couple years ago, we stayed down there at Caesars. Basically, all these hotels are full of pool guys right now. There's a lot of people down here. And obviously, nothing's open. It's the middle of winter, so all these restaurants are closed. Love to come down here in the summer, see what it's all about. I mean, this bar looks awesome for the summer, being out on the beach and drinking and stuff. It'd be awesome, but a little different in the winter. No snow down here either. I have no idea where my guys are going. David's wandering over there. Barry's wandering over there. We're exploring. Barry's inspecting the piers, it looks like. And David's looking at all the graffiti and the art. Yeah, I took a little bit of a nap, finally, after like 36 hours of not sleeping. We're off to go see Leonard Skinner, literally right downstairs. We just have to go down the elevator and take a left, and they're right down there. One of the pool groups is putting on a free concert, free food, free drinks, so can't say no to that. I don't know if I can get any footage of it because the copyright laws on YouTube, but we'll see what happens.
I thought they were you guys. I heard that it wasn't you guys that came out from behind the curtain. I missed my opportunity. Maybe next time. Should have in the closet. Yeah.
Of the program's powerful reach. It is National Water Safety Month, and as families gear up for beach and pool time, we are doing our part to highlight the importance of swimming. Stepping Stone Network was reimagined this year as a go-to educational resource with new site content and
CEO of Swim Across America. It's a nonprofit that hosts cancer research by charity students. Swim Across America is celebrating 30.
day 2. Not gonna lie, a little bit hungover today. I went to the Leonard Skinner concert last night, and it was open bar the whole night and free food, and may or may not have drank a little bit too much, but it is what it is. A little late start today, but heading over to the convention center right now, and I got class at 1 o'clock, so I'm gonna be there for pretty much the whole day. The view again, convention center's pretty much over that way, so I'll jump on the bus, head over there. It's gonna start raining here shortly. Rain's coming in. We're actually getting a little bit of snow back at home. So we're supposed to get like 1 to 3 inches of snow at home, give or take. Sounds like it's gonna be close to just like an inch, maybe a coating, but it's gonna wash away. It's supposed to be like 50 degrees tonight and tomorrow, so not too concerned about it, but our buddies at McLeod Landscape are gonna salt for us and take care of it. So I owe them a big favor after this one. Second year in a row we've gone down here, and we've had a little bit of snow and had to have them go and salt for us. Yeah, last night was rough.
Oh, here's your balloons, Barry.
I am the captain now. Off to school.
Oh shit, it was at 1 a.m. It was supposed to go last night. He's here. She's here last night.
Nah, I'm fine.
Step number 1, 2 feet under a quarter. Get that. We'll talk about height of the radius of the ball.
There's the Statue of Liberty all the way down. See it?
Nope.
That little tiny blob all the way down. So we're back from our trip. Got back yesterday about 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon. I slept in this morning just I was so exhausted. So it was a great trip. Very busy the whole week we were there, and obviously, as you saw, it snowed Monday night, which delayed us getting in till 4 or 5 a.m. Tuesday morning. So that kind of, we got down there, but it also made it so we were all exhausted by the end of the trip. We got about an hour's sleep that day. Tuesday night we had a concert, free concert, and open bar. and may or may not have partaken a little bit too much in the open bar part of it. So Wednesday was a little rough in the morning. We had 2 classes Wednesday and the show, and then we ended up going out to dinner with our supplier Wednesday night. We got back pretty late from that too, because we were hanging around afterwards. So, but all in all, great trip. Very little sleep each night. Great time though. Made a lot of good connections. Saw a lot of new stuff that are out there. Got some really good ideas for the upcoming year. And the best part is why we like going is we got a lot of good connections that we made, and people we met and all that good stuff. So great trip. We go every year. Got a lot to do the next couple of days though. Obviously you saw when we got back, we literally just dropped everything, dropped the plow, shut the trucks off, and got in the car and left. So I got a lot of stuff to do to get the trucks from the storm cleaned back up. There's still salt in the spreaders, so we got to empty them. But like I said, we had no choice. We had to park and leave. So I'll be working on that the next couple of days, and we'll see what the weather's doing. I haven't really paid much attention, but I don't think there's anything coming up in the forecast. So, but we have some stuff coming up next week too, a couple pool jobs. So we'll be busy, not crazy busy, but busy enough where we're doing something. Honestly need a couple down days after this trip just to recover. But it is what it is. But I know this video is a little different. Thanks for watching. Kind of want to show you a little bit into the pool industry life. And we'll definitely be taking this trip again next year. It's 5 years in a row, so gonna go make this an annual trip if we can. So, but thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a good weekend.